Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome once again to the Train Expert channel on this Tuesday, July 11th, 2023. Today, we're honoring our 150th subscriber special video today with a train video we're doing right now. We're gonna be doing, and we're gonna honor it with an OC&T Alco 85 passenger train coming. Let's check it out. But before we play this video, remember, if you haven't already, subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube, along with Jeffrey's regular channel page. We just reached 150 of subscribers on there, and we have over almost 2,700 videos of trains and trainless videos on there, like the OC&Ts, Norfolk Southern, CSX, BNSF, Canadian National, Union Pacific, BNSF, Canadian Pacific, Canadian National, Bessemer, Amtrak, and Amtrak to enjoy. All trains galore. Oh, and B&P and Western New York's and to enjoy. All trains galore at Jeffrey the Train Experts. Check it out. Make sure to, if you haven't already, subscribe to Jeffrey's regular channel page. We got 35 subscribers on there, and we have nearly 700 videos on there to enjoy, like the holidays and occasions, pumpkin drawings, Operation Weathers, garbage trucks, Norfolk Southern CSX trucks, maintenance trucks it is, Canadian National ones too, and Santa Claus parades and all that, and train news to enjoy. All galore at Jeffrey's regular channel page. Check it out. We have since we're honoring our 150th subscriber special, we're going to be honoring it with an OC&T passenger train heading to Oil City, Pennsylvania. Let's check it out. Welcome back. This is our Train Expert channel. We got a passenger train. Let's check it out. There you go, Alco 85, all right. Yeah, I've got the Alco 85 for the third time on this passenger run. There's the end. There's the end. Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the next. Talk to you later. There you go. There you go. Symbol on that train was OC&T Alco 85. That train originates to Titusville, Pennsylvania, heads south to Rouseville, Pennsylvania, where it terminates, to interchange freight and taking passengers to the Ren Farm station. And when they head back, they take the freight to take the Oil City, and then they also to pick up the passengers for the passenger train heading back where it terminates, and heads back to Titusville, Pennsylvania, where it terminates. All on this Tuesday, July 11th, 2023, from Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube. It was pretty cool with the Alco 85 unit lading in this one, yeah. So. Alright, this is my only video we're doing right now. So this is probably going to be it for today. For Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Thanks for watching this special 150th subscriber edition of Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube. We're going to remind everyone one more time, if you haven't already, sort of subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube, along with Jeffrey's regular channel page. We got 35, we have 100, we just reached 150 subscribers on there, and we got almost 2,700 videos of trains and trainless videos to enjoy. All trains galore at Jeffrey the Train Experts. Check it out. Also, too, if you haven't already, sort of subscribe to Jeffrey's regular channel page. We got almost we got almost 700 videos on the regular channels, and we have 35 subscribers on there on YouTube to enjoy. All galore at Jeffrey's regular channel page. Check it out. I had to check on my phone and see if I have my other phone, see if I have any premieres tonight, but I don't. I don't have a premiere until tomorrow. I have 2 premieres on for tomorrow. It's about, we're not going to be getting any train events with the lane due to the tire issues and on that. And I have a premiere also tomorrow. We're honoring our 130th subscriber special with the OC&T passenger trains with the Alco 75 unit right here. So. Alright, this is my only video I'm doing right now. So that's going to be it for today. For Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube. Thanks for watching Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube. Everybody else, have a good day, and we'll be back on next time for more train videos. We don't know yet. We don't know. We're still gonna wait and hear from anything from Elaine first and see if whether or not we're going to have a train expert channel this week or not. If not, we'll find. If not, we'll talk to you guys later. As always, thanks for watching Jeffrey the Train Expert special edition of our 150th subscriber video. We'll talk to you guys. We'll talk to you guys all next time for more train videos. Talk to you then.